it finally happened. A massive leak has confirmed what Tesla fans and the entire trucking industry have been waiting for. The 2026 Tesla Semi Gen 2 is not only relit, entering mass production on a scale the world has never seen before. Elon Musk himself has dropped hints, but there's something Tesla is keeping under wraps. This isn't just about a truck, it's about a complete revolution in transportation. Today we're going to uncover the insane technology, the hidden features, the secret upgrades, the battery breakthroughs, and the global impact of Tesla's Gen 2 Semi. By the end of this video, you'll know why this truck could change the future of logistics forever, and why competitors around the world are panicking. Before we dive into the leaks, let's rewind for a moment. Back in 2017, Elon Musk unveiled the very first Tesla Semi. He promised a truck that could go from 0 to 60 in just 20 seconds while fully loaded, travel up to 500 miles per charge, and cut operational costs in half. At the time, critics laughed. Traditional trucking companies dismissed it as a fantasy. Many argued that battery packs large enough to power a Semi would be far too heavy, it's too expensive, and far too unreliable for long-haul freight. But fast forward to 2022, and the first Tesla Semis were delivered to PepsiCo, proving the skeptics wrong. Real-world tests showed incredible efficiency and astonishing torque that outperformed expectations. That was only the beginning. Now Tesla is preparing for the second-generation Semi, and leaks suggest that this isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Recently, Elon Musk reportedly revealed in a private event that Tesla is building a dedicated mass production line for the Semi Gen 2 at its Gigafactory in Nevada. Unlike the limited production of the first generation, this new facility is being designed for tens of thousands of units per year. But here's the twist. The Gen 2 isn't just about producing more trucks, it's about completely re-engineering the design, the battery system, and the AI software to make it the most advanced vehicle Tesla has ever created. According to insiders, the internal code name for the project is Atlas, a hint that this Semi is being built to carry the weight of the world's logistics industry on its shoulders. So what makes the Gen 2 Semi such a game changer? The first breakthrough is in battery technology. Tesla will be using their advanced 4,680 battery cells, but leaks suggest they'll also feature a new silicon anode chemistry. This could increase energy density by up to 30%, delivering more range without adding extra weight. Range estimates are climbing towards 600 to 700 miles per charge, which would be a game changer for long-haul trucking. Then there's the megacharger system. Gen 1 already introduced megachargers that could add 400 miles in about 30 minutes, but Gen 2 is set to push this even further. Tesla is rumored to be working on Megacharger 2.0, which could use a liquid-cooled cable system and deliver up to 1.5 megawatts of charging power. That means faster, cooler, and more efficient charging than anything currently available. On top of that, Tesla is embedding even more advanced AI systems. The Gen 2 Semi will be powered by Tesla's full self-driving hardware version 5. This system is designed to handle highway autonomy, automatic lane changes, and even something known as platooning, where multiple semi-trucks drive in a coordinated convoy. This could dramatically improve safety and efficiency. Aerodynamics are also getting an upgrade. Leaks suggest that Tesla has refined the already sleek design, cutting the drag coefficient even further and potentially integrating solar panels on the roof to power auxiliary systems. And for the driver, the cabin is being completely redesigned. Early reports point to a futuristic cockpit with 2 central touchscreens, panoramic visibility, improved sleeping quarters, and even augmented reality displays for navigation and real-time diagnostics. One of the biggest criticisms of electric trucks has always been performance in extreme weather. Diesel trucks, for all their faults, are dependable in snow, rain, or heat. Tesla knows this, and that's why the Gen 2 Semi is being engineered with advanced liquid thermal management for its massive battery pack. This system ensures efficiency, whether it's -30 degrees in winter or 50 degrees in desert heat. There's improved traction control for icy roads, dual-motor all-wheel drive capability in some configurations, and regenerative braking that performs better even in wet conditions. The message is clear. This truck isn't just for California highways. It's designed for the entire world. The battery is truly the heart of the Semi Gen 2. Tesla is expected to pack a 1 megawatt battery system into the truck, with a modular design for easier upgrades and repairs. But Tesla isn't just thinking about powering the truck. They're also focusing on battery recycling and second life applications. Older semi-batteries could be repurposed into Tesla stationary megapacks, extending their usable life and reducing waste. And here's where it gets even crazier. Because of the semi's massive size, Tesla has the ability to use it as a mobile power plant. Imagine a fleet of semi-trucks doubling as backup energy sources for factories, warehouses, or even entire cities during emergencies. That's not science fiction, that's a real possibility. Now let's zoom out to the global picture. The trucking industry is worth over $2 trillion and accounts for more than 7% of global carbon emissions. If Tesla succeeds in bringing the Semi-Gen 2 to scale, the impact will be enormous. Companies will save money as electric truck/fuel and maintenance costs by as much as 50%. While cities will breathe cleaner air as diesel pollution disappears from highways and urban delivery routes. Oil demand will take a serious hit, since each Tesla Semi could replace over 50,000 gallons of diesel fuel every single year. Supply chains will become faster and smarter, especially when combined with autonomy. This isn't just about trucking it's about reshaping the entire global economy. But Tesla isn't telling us everything. Behind the excitement, there are challenges they'd rather not highlight. Manufacturing high-density 4,680 batteries at scale is still extremely difficult. Tesla has struggled with production yields, and scaling up to tens of thousands of semis will put enormous pressure on the supply chain. Then there's infrastructure. Megachargers require massive grid connections, and not every location can handle that kind of demand. Competition is another factor. Rivian, Volvo, Daimler, BYD, and even Nikola are all pushing their own electric trucking solutions. And of course, the price. While Tesla promises long-term savings, the upfront cost of a Gen 2 Semi is expected to be between $250,000 and $300,000. That's far higher than the $180,000 price tag of a new diesel truck. Not every company will be able to make the switch right away. Still, Tesla has a track record of turning doubters into believers. Tesla also has global ambitions for the Semi. In Europe, stricter emissions laws will push adoption. In Asia, the boom in e-commerce will drive demand for efficient electric freight. And in the Middle East, solar energy could directly power entire fleets of Tesla Semis. Once Tesla perfects semi-production, the same battery technologies and autonomous systems will filter down into other vehicles. The Cybertruck, the Model Y, and even brand new models we haven't seen yet. So what's the bigger picture here? The 2026 Tesla Semi-Gen 2 isn't just another truck. It's a symbol of Elon Musk's larger vision to redefine transportation, energy, and even the global economy. This project is bigger than Tesla's cars, and in some ways, even bigger than SpaceX rockets. Because without efficient, sustainable logistics, the modern world simply doesn't function. The Semi-Gen 2 represents a future where goods move cleaner, faster, and smarter across every border. And now, thanks to Tesla, we're standing on the edge of that transformation. The question is, will the world be ready when this revolution finally hits the road? If you enjoyed this deep dive into Tesla's upcoming Semi-Gen 2, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more Tesla and tech breakdowns. Let me know in the comments. Would you trust an autonomous electric semi with the global supply chain?